give you some demonstration on how to install floating shelves using the Universal Heavy Duty Connector Pro 55. Today's shelf is going to be a lightweight man-made floating shelf. This is my preferred method of making a floating shelf. We're simply going to make a frame. We're going to back set the back panel to accommodate the distance for our brace, which I'll show you shortly. We are then going to put a piece of 3mm MDF on the top and again a 3 piece of MDF on the bottom. Now we're talking about our brace. This brace needs to be a minimum thickness of 1 inch in depth, 25mm, plus the depth of the two components together. When we install this brace, we'll go into this position and sit extremely tightly in between the surfaces. Note with this floating shelf, with it being hollow, we're reducing a massive amount of weight. This shelf now can go and get painted or we can laminate it. Let me show you putting on a floating shelf, hollow, lightweight, onto a brace that is already on the wall. The important thing here is to align the two components together into the mating position. So we use our mark out red jigs. These jigs simply slide into position and slide across. We then get our floating shelf, we put it into position and we give it a hit. This will mark out exactly where the second component will go. Now we have the brace on the wall. We make sure we screw it securely to our studs. If this is going into a concrete wall or a block wall, we recommend using Dynabolts. Now I've got my floating shelf actually finished. As you can see, this one here is painted. In the back part, we've recessed to accommodate the brace on the wall. The important thing about this brace is that it fits into this position in here extremely tight so that the shelf will not tip or move. We're now going to put the shelf over the top of our brace. Slide it across and move it 16mm, and that is our shelf locked in place.